Okay, this is a 2021 Vauxhall Vivaro. This is how to get the rear door handle off. Wind out the screw on the side till it locks. And then you need to pull out the door handle as far as it'll go and hold it in place. And then you need to pop that screw in, just push it in. Now, this is going to be really hard to do while I'm holding this camera, but you just... So all I did there with that was just push it in and it clicks in. It locks that in place. The lock comes out, so it locks the handle in place. The lock comes out. You can remove the handle, leave that where it is. So that comes right out. The handle comes off. And then to replace it, or to put it all back together, just click your handle back in, lock in, and then there you go. Right, that took me ages to work out, so I hope it helps.